Hi guys, how are you? Today I wanna make you one video regarding the people who fail in a life. I just want to tell my experience when I was being failed. See, in this life actually, everywhere in life, see the failures and the success. It's been like coin to both sides. My journey, why I want to tell you this video today is in 2001 I have been 10th class, and that time I was not that much concentration in the uh, in education. See, I have interest, but I have a fear more because of childhood. I was unable to. I've been postponing all my things whenever the teachers and whenever the students, whatever the homework they'll give in the school, I used to postpone it. We will see later. We will see later. At the same time, I have the fear that I don't know the languages. Even though I was born in Andhra, I don't know even to write in Telugu and write in Hindi. Because my childhood journey, due to my father, he kept me with my uncle where he was working in Indian Air Force in Tejpur and Delhi and Assam. There is a place where we have shifted regularly there. So when I went there by childhood, I was entirely don't know even the basics of Telugu language, and I lived there almost 2 3 years, and we came back to Andhra again. Here is the comedy is started. When I went there, I forgot Telugu. Okay, after learning all the Hindi in Delhi, when I came from learning some Hindi, little bit words and this and that, while coming to Andhra, I forgot uh, the Hindi basics again. Whenever I go feel I has a fear. What will ask? What is this education? Because I am always missing my family. This makes me my mind unable to concentration on studies, and I was well thinking about the playing in with my home, thinking about my mother and father. But my parents think that he will study, even though my age is not that much like to become IAS officer or IPS officer. Just a childhood. They never realized that. They thought they have prestige that my son is studying in Delhi. So that is the case. My parents kept me with my uncle in Delhi to say all their friends that my son is in Delhi. So he was there and studying. But who knows my heart? How much I'm missing the family. See, all these things from childhood, when my mind came to the 10th class, when I failed, I was went to depression actually. And 3 years I never speak to the people. 2 3 subject I was being passed, which I have interested in drawings like biology and have a pass in English, and remaining mathematics, physics, and chemistry all have been filed, and even Telugu also. So uh, this makes me some depreciation. Even my friends is not spoke to me because they have been passed and they are very enjoyment. I am not sad because of their past, because of they have been insulted me because I have failed. So sorry for that. And I thought, what is this life? See, when we have friends, so the people who are the real friends, the other time when we have failed, then only we will understand who is the real friend and who will be forever and everything. So what I did, okay, I failed. I don't know what to do, and even my father was upset, and my mother and everyone was upset because they have given chances. They have given lot of support. Even I feel bad because I failed. I take my responsibility, but I cannot able to express what my mind. Even though I was tried so many times to express my dad about that I cannot stay in my school. I want to be in my home, and I want to be with you, and where I'll be happy. And but they never listened when I was in sixth to fifth class. Even though 7 years I've been struggling. When I failed, actually I was away from this. I was cut this world, and I don't want to be speak to the people. And I used to spend hours in fields and where I'll spend mountains where I'll be very peaceful. Almost I was 10th class. I spent almost 3 years. Every day I wake up and I take some. Actually, I was doing a farming at the time. We have agriculture and we have 3 4 cows. And I went to spend myself and I went to mountains and I went. My agriculture lands where I can get some peace of mind, where I cannot be able like the insulting and bully character people there I cannot find, where I can be very peaceful. At the time I realized is, see, 10th is not big deal. So one of my friend, he was, I don't want to discuss his name. When we went one day film, at the time I was failed. Just I went with him, and he was talking to some other friends and what you doing next, which college joining, everything, and all they are discussing. I was simply sitting. I'm standing there and I don't know what to do because I was failed and I was just I am with friends and one of my friend in group asking to him and what is doing and that fellow, my friend said he has filed 10th class and he will be doing now agriculture. uh, so what he did what he said is not wrong, but what the way he said that makes me insulted. So that got something. I want to left all these friends because these friends will never helping me. This kind of friends, so I left all the people. I was entirely deleted all the friends, not deleted in the mobile. Actually, at the time I don't have even mobile. In 2001, I am speaking. By mind, I was deleted the total entire people whom I met from the childhood to my 10th class. And everyone, even though they are speaking, I was been avoiding and I was been very busy because. I have work. I was kept myself as very busy doing a farming or cutting the grass and bringing the grass to the cows, and I was very busy to helping my family and my mother and my father. And 1 year is finished, and March has came. I want to go and pay some money. I want to return the exam again. Here is the comedy. So I went. I paid. Again I failed. So when I failed, my father see the result and said, "See, you better go and wash dishes. That will be better for you," he said. At the time, I felt actually really by deep heart. I should go for suicide and I will die this day and I don't want to live this life. I'm sorry. That much emotion I was being getting. Because nowadays the people, whatever the failures they can get, they cannot handle. But my case that day, I went to commit a suicide, but I went very long walk. Actually, I don't know how to do suicide and where to do suicide, and how to do suicide, because I have a fear that how to die. So what I did, I was been walking. I don't know where the destiny will come, and almost I walked 13 kilometers that day. I still remember, from my village to almost that hill. But I don't find there how to die. And I thought, okay, let it be. I was very tired. I'm getting hungry. We'll see later. I postponed my suicide later. So I went back to home, and same. The day I slept, and after deep sleep, after walking a long walk, I was so tired and I was been slept. I don't know when I wake up. I wake up next day almost 10 o'clock, and I was still depression after wake up being the what my father is saying and what he is expecting from me, one and only son. Oh, so I decided that next time we'll try. But my father, he never make me to write again. He said that don't write this time. You're gonna fail every time, so that I don't want to scold you at the same time. I don't want this thing. But third attempt, before the third attempt of my exams, and between there is a 6 months of gap. So after passing of 1.5 year, and there is 6 months of work for second attempt. Here what I did, see, every day morning I wake up. I used to do go for fielding. where I want to go field and bring grass to my cows, and there is one dog where I spend with animals. I must pick up. I don't know anything. I don't even read the books anything, but I went and spent myself alone. This aloneness make me myself to think and talk about myself. When you have no friends, you have no communication with the people. When you have nothing in your life, the only thing is the heart which freaks you when you are in alone. See, whenever I sit alone, I don't know what to do. So I did meditation, like just like I feel how it will be the silence. I just did a meditation and sitting in it between. There is no people will be there in the mountain. I want to sit there. I want to be feel happily. What if there is no exams, no tension? I should be. I just have sitting silently for a few minutes, and I realized this is nothing in life actually. See, up to now when I was went for suicide, after 6 months again I failed. Again I don't feel that there is no that much pain. Already I felt that much pain. Again I felt second attempt and third attempt and will attempt and we'll see. If it fails, no problem. Same life. We will sit. We'll go farming. We'll be sitting in the cows, helping mother and father. If it pass, this I thought like that. See, my thoughts will automatically change it. If it pass, what will be the life? And I was thinking that we can go to the college. Okay, what type of dresses we have to see? What type of books we have to buy? And I was been dreaming. What if it was? So this makes me interesting to me that okay, we'll do one thing. See, whatever the subject we will go for divided. So whatever we fail the subject, we have 2 or more attempts. We'll try it, but we should not never quit that one. I decided, and I was been third attempt. That was I went. I paid the money, and after paying every money, then they gave a hall ticket, everything. After 1.5 months, and I got to center in somewhere college. There I went and I written exams, and unfortunately I was passed that third attempt. This is the miracle I never feel in my life. Even though if I get any success, but when I was went in depression, when I was being success in 10th class. After that, I never failed in my examinations. Still, I completed my MBA. So when I was passed and when I was before failed, the gap of 3 years, the decision what I am taken to go for suicide and the depression. See, this is how we should manage our lives actually. So there is nothing to go for very deeply. When we get something hit by a big rock in life, we should be calm and we should go for a long walk. But the long walk which make me to go for suicide, but it makes me tired. It's been postponed because of my hunger. After hunger and when I cut off all the negative friends that make me feel happy, that happiness, my inner soul itself speaks to me that giving a new positive life for me. So whenever you feel depression, whenever you feel unsuccessful in life, stay slow life. Stay happy, stay calm, and be away from all the world. You will definitely will be success in life. And there is a quotation called, "If you want to wake up your inner energy, always spend a life alone." See, the loneliness is the best friend, which you can give the best gift to yourself. I hope you enjoy my video and my story. If there is any mistakes, please forgive me. Okay?